The role of an automotive service advisor in the automotive service industry. Welcome to our Automotive Service Advisor training. By the end of this training, you will understand the key responsibilities of an automotive service advisor. Learn effective communication techniques for customer interaction. Gain knowledge about vehicle systems and repair processes. Develop skills for conflict resolution and upselling services. Here are the essential responsibilities and skills for success. Customer interaction is key to satisfaction and service success. How to engage. Create a welcoming atmosphere for customers and listen actively. Action. Clearly communicate repair needs and costs to customers. Effective service coordination ensures timely vehicle delivery. How to coordinate. Schedule appointments to minimize wait times for customers. Action. Assign tasks to technicians and monitor service progress. Technical knowledge enhances the quality of service provided. How to advise. Understand basic vehicle systems and repair processes. Action. Translate technical findings into customer-friendly language. Administrative tasks are vital for operational efficiency. How to manage. Document service records and process payments accurately. Action. Keep track of warranties and upsell preventative maintenance. Now let's explore some practical scenarios to apply your knowledge. A customer reports a strange noise. How do you respond? Pause and listen. Identify the vehicle issue based on customer descriptions. Your action should be: diagnose the issue and recommend appropriate repairs. Handling unexpected repairs requires clear communication. Pause and assess. Evaluate additional repair needs discovered by the technician. If needed, communicate these findings and discuss options with the customer. Upselling preventative maintenance can benefit both customer and service. Pause and suggest. Identify opportunities for preventative maintenance. Your action should be: upsell services during routine appointments to enhance vehicle longevity. Now let's recap on what you learned and what you need to remember. Clear communication is essential for customer satisfaction. Understanding vehicle systems improves service quality. Effective conflict resolution enhances customer loyalty. Upselling services can boost revenue for the department. Please reach out to your supervisor for any assistance. Let's improve our service quality together. Thank you for participating in our Automotive Service Advisor training.